system of meritocracy. I visited China and I saw the way they bring up all the talent, and then there's single focus, long-term planning. I haven't seen such long-term planning in most countries. Certainly countries like us, which every 5 years are supposed to have elections. So very rarely governments plan beyond 5 years. But in China, they have just planned so far ahead, and then they single-handedly pursue their goals. And I feel that, China is going to be I think it will leave everyone behind.
Thank you very much, respected Chairman. I cannot leave the issue of China aside as a Muslim think tank and not raise the plight of the Uyghur Muslims. On a lot of issues, Muslims around the world are concerned about the events that are happening in Xinjiang. Pakistan has been a champion of Muslims all around the world. How do we hold both of this in tension?
Well, let me say that, the Pakistan-China relationship is such that whatever the issues of Uyghurs, we have always, the Chinese have always preferred to speak behind closed doors. They're very, their system is such that they hate talking about sensitive issues like Uyghurs in public. So we've had discussions with them, and they give us a different side of their story, and there are always two sides of the story. And so, the conversations I've had with the Chinese government on Uyghurs, we have always, knowing the sensitivity they feel, we've kept that behind closed doors.
Thank you so much. I want to now ask one of our members here to direct the next question. Let me introduce Dr. Mubin Shah, who is the head of the Istanbul Kashmir House. Dr. Mubin Shah.
In the name of Allah, Excellency, it's a pleasure to talk to you directly today. Excellency, this is Dr. Mubin Shah, Kashmiri in exile. As far as we can tell, in its hour of need, Pakistan has all but abandoned Kashmir in everything but rhetoric. What is your and PTI solution for the people of Kashmir? When in power, how would you maneuver support for Kashmiri resistance movement, taking Ukraine as a model within Muslim world, with OIC as the biggest support factor to impose sanctions and back resistance of Kashmiris militarily? In these challenging times, what is Pakistan's solution to grave issues faced by Muslims in South Asia, particularly in India? Excellency, I thank you.
Well, Mubin, when I was the Prime Minister, we took a very strong stand for Kashmir. And I think you would have known that we have my government at least, on every international forum we spoke about the people of Kashmir, especially after 5th August 2019, when they took away the statehood of Kashmir, which was against all international laws. It was against the United Nations Security Council resolution, which clearly stated that, Kashmir would have a special status until they were given their right of self-determination. So without giving them the right of self-determination, they took away the statehood. So we stood with the people of Kashmir, and we broke all relationship with India. And that has remained up to this point. It's the case now that we actually have broken relationship with India, and at every international forum we have tried to put pressure on them. Now, apart from that, what else can we do? Give them moral support them everywhere. But when you say, I don't know what you mean. I mean, do you think we should militarily go into Kashmir, which is obviously clearly not an option? There are two nuclear armed countries. It's not a Ukraine type situation. Pakistan and India, the moment there is a conflict, I think there is always a danger that it will go out of hand. In Ukraine, for instance, if Ukraine had nuclear weapons, firstly, this might not have happened, this conflict. But had it happened, the whole world would have been petrified, of a nuclear war. So therefore, with Pakistan, India, military solutions are not an option. Short of that, what else can we do? Well, raise it on every forum, and it has cost Pakistan quite a lot by breaking away all diplomatic relationships with India since 5th August 2019.
इमरान खान की बजरिए वीडियो लिंक गैर मुल्की मुहक्किकीन से गुफ्तगू। अपने दौरे हुकूमत में कश्मीर पर वाज़ेह मौक़िफ़ इख्तियार किया। 5 अगस्त 2019 को भारत ने आलमी कवानीन की खिलाफ वर्जी की।